Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button. When we pick it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to left to settings so we can open them, and here we have to tap to Smart Suggestions, the second position. Now at the second place we have Scan QR Codes option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need, and of course I suggest you to keep it turned on because this is the easiest way to scan QRs at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app to do it. We have also short suggestion from the device here that this only works when we use rear camera in standard photo mode, so of course remember to stay on this mode with back camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.